SKMEI watch, a very famous Chinese watchmaker. Their watch has been found all around the world. SKMEI is known for its quality and cheap pricing. You can buy SKMEI branded watch from roadside store to super mall, and if you buy SKMEI watch from China, that is also possible. You can buy any model of SKMEI watch from AliExpress. Buying link of SKMEI watches are given in the video description. In this video, I have a very popular model of SKMEI watch on my hand, which is 1016. This model is very popular because it looks sporty and it has both analog and digital dial. Now the battery of my watch, both digital and analog, has died. So I decided to replace the battery. Obviously, there are two battery inside, and at the back plate of your SKMI watch, you can see the battery code. One is CR2016, another is SR626SW. I have both the battery on my hand. You can also find the buying link of these batteries in the video description. If you need this battery, then just hit the link. I don't know which battery is responsible for the analog one. I only need to change the analog watch. Okay, let's start the tear down. For tear down process, I only need say Phillips screwdriver, which is very common. There are only 4 screws on the back. Remember, this watch is normally waterproof, but after opening it, you have to careful for the rest of your life because the company does not give any assurance that after the tear down, the waterproofing is all right or not. Okay, there is a plastic black gasket all around the clock. Okay, take off this battery first for analog battery replacement. So this one is for the digital watch, and as because I want to change my analog watch battery, I need to remove this battery first. Okay, there is a plastic cover which I am removing. Then there is a screw for the battery backplate. Yes, backplate removed, battery removed. Yes, here is the battery. There is also another plastic which I need to carefully open. There is the analog watch battery. It seems battery removal is quite tricky because there is very little space to work on. Yes, after successful pressuring, it works. Let's check the battery. LR626 is the battery model. I have SR626 Sony branded battery 1.55 watt, which I think is perfect. I am yes, yes, the analog watch start ticking. Now I have to carefully close everything. battery for the digital clock. This is very good design from SKMI. I don't need to remove any watch parts to change the battery, whether you want to change digital clock battery or analog clock battery. Other brands unnecessarily makes it complicated. I like this design. Now I am giving pressure on all four screws. Yes, my operation is successful. My SKMI analog watch is running. Most importantly, the age of this watch is almost 6 years. So I bought this watch from AliExpress, I think only for $8. A $8 watch with two battery gave me service uninterruptedly for 6 years, which is amazing, unbelievable phenomenon. And I hope this battery will also last for at least few years. This is SKMI 1016 digital plus analog sports watch. If you have any question regarding this battery replacement, then feel free to comment. If you have any SKMI watch, what is your experience? Please tell us. Subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you.